Hi friends, welcome to my channel for Chandrika Sajan Nayak. Today we'll learn Microsoft PowerPoint and insert free slide with different slide layout, adding TM interesting look and apply a custom animation. So let's get started. So welcome to my laptop screen. So we have to go from Microsoft PowerPoint. So click this. So friends, this is the Microsoft PowerPoint screen. So we have to go to home and we have to click the new slide. We have to do 3 slide layout. First, I'm choosing the title slide. See. So friends, it is the first title. So I'm check second slide, title and content. So friends, it is the second slide layout. Now we will go to third slide layout. It is the section header. So friends, it is the third slide layout. And now we will go to animations. First I am right there. I have right there my presentations. In the second one, you have to write the name, and I'm going to animations. It is the animations. You can choose wipes, shapes, wheels, flying, fade, appear, floating, spilt. So it is called the animations. If you don't know how to choose the animation, you can click also add animations. We get many animations for stars. Suppose you click the bounce. It is called the bounce. Suppose you click the zoom. It is called the zoom. So it is the animations. Now we will go to designs and choose anyone also. Suppose you choose this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay? And now friends, we have to go to colors. You can choose this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so I am write here my name. So I have write there my names. Okay. So my presentations is ready. Now we will go to file and click the save. So friends, it is give the file name. I am writer my name. So I am writer Chandrika Sajan Nayak, my presentations. And we have to save this. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. For also Max Takatak and the Instagram with the TikTok. We have to use the laptop. If you not have a laptop, so use this computer for gadgets. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.